Okay, so what's up, guys? Back with another video. I'm sorry, I'm tired. It's only 8:40 in the morning. Yeah, so today we're gonna be playing some Roblox, like we did yesterday. Try the tornadoes. And honestly, instead of playing mini tornadoes, actually, I guess we could play mini tornadoes again. Because I mean, my last video, I actually did pretty well. Okay, so yeah, if you can hear, there's a video in the background. Well, I thought that was cars. So, I mean, yeah, I don't know. I have every single car in the game. Like I said yesterday, Tornado, Tax the Festus, the Titus. Hold up. I have this, right? Yeah, I do. I don't remember seeing it though. It made me send my character real quick. Wait, is there a storm? Oh yeah, there is. Okay, let's take out the Tiv 2. Yeah, so I said we're gonna be taking out the Tiv 2. I can't see. Oh yeah, well, the opposite way. Oh wait, there's a tornado. I kind of want this thing to grow to a wedge. Across the river. Oh wait, where is this thing? It's definitely going this way. Give me a road option. Through the grass we go. Deploying. Racing week. Let me go, please. Here. There's a leak. That's my brother.
Yeah, I saw it.
Did you see the first one? Of the tornado? Did you see the channel name now?
Yeah, I forgot to change that. I hate it.
Oh wow. We got a nice wedge on our hands. My brother hates tornadoes for some reason. I mean, if y'all hate tornadoes, let me know in the comments. But if you like tornadoes, you know what? If you like tornadoes, let me know in the comments. If you don't, also let me know in the comments.
It's up to you.
It's up to y'all. So don't really blame you if you don't like them. 119 miles an hour. Where the tornado? Just keep pushing me in. Max speed 92. I got 119.
I'd like to join.
Oh, my brother's gonna join.
I might.
Well, he might. Well, this is gonna be a close call.
Let's chase some tornadoes.
Yeah. Every car in the game can deploy Parker, so. There's a river. Wait, no, that's not a river. Yes.
About to do something.
It's just a road.
Something like this.
Parker, because they don't have auto rotate on. Parker, do auto rotate.
You see?
Yeah.
Why am I so big?
Because if you hit the car icon, hit this one. No, the very first one. And then hit equip. See? Here, Parker, you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Do you have auto rotate on?
Yeah.
No, you don't. Auto rotate on.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, that one's going away. It's dying off.
I'm going towards you.
Yeah, I'm going to come towards you.
I'm in the river.
We just lifted.
Wait.
Where are you?
Turn around. That way. That way. Go to that hill over there.
Okay.
Go towards the tornado. I'll meet you there.
Where? Oh, I see you.
Uh-huh.
Parker, stop.
Oh,
You see me?
hello.
I'm that Tiff too. Hello.
Did you pay for it?
No. So you first, what you basically what you have to do for the TIV 2, you have to witness a 250 miles an hour tornado and gain no intercepts.
And get no intercepts?
And I've already experienced that and died. Because I had the TIV 1 and I got drowned. Okay, so
I'm looking around.
go back to Silverton. I should just restart your character.
And there's a little storm over here.
No, that's the old storm that I just chased. Okay, Parker, reset your character and get your car back. You know what, just to be nice, I'm actually gonna... No, reset your character. Reset your character real quick.
Oh, yeah.
And then go back to your cars. And spawn it in.
This?
That's the only one you can really get right now. Okay, then spawn it in. Okay, so you should be... Oh, hello.
Hello. I'm gonna go look on radio fast.
We're in Silverton. Actually, yeah, we're in Silverton. Wait, is that ground scouring on radar? Nope. Okay, Parker, follow me. We're gonna go sit under this overpass. Okay, follow me.
Don't go. Don't. Wait for me to catch up because it takes a while. Because I can't drive straight on the skinny roads.
I know, but there's a bigger road coming up like this. Oh yeah, there it is.
What?
Oh, new storm, right? Look at it, right here. It's blowing up.
Let's go.
It just blew up on radar. Parker, I say we stay here because
Aiden.
yeah, Parker. Parker, follow me quick.
Where the heck you? Where the heck did you go? Oh.
I'm on this overpass over here. Come on. Because if we can get in front of it, the storm, then we can see the tornado. We can only handle it one. This truck can deploy.
Yeah.
So it's basically the twister tamer. We can only survive up to 100 miles an hour, so. Okay, follow me. Turn on this road. I'll let you know if we got any rotation. Okay, we're gonna
Stop.
wait here.
So we got rotation.
No. I'm waiting for something. Oh, rotation!
Where you at?
Over here. Look right there. Go, go, go.
Go, go, go.
Oh, turn around, turn around. It's going this way. It's going towards the town.
Let's go towards it so I can get closer first.
It's going towards the town. Come on, get in front of it.
I'm in front of it.
Sure, turn on this road. Oh, you're in it? Yeah, I like
I got my
Fortnite.
first intercept. Ah!
Oh, I'm gone. I'm gone.
I got picked up.
Oh my god, this thing's a drill bit. It's got 140 miles an hour. Parker, should I take the TIF 2 out? I need to take the TIF 2 out.
I'm cooked. I'm good.
I'm taking my TIF 2. I'm taking the TIF 2 out for this.
Let me see if I can get.
Oh, the pole! I spawned right in front of it.
Hey, I got the pt.1.
Spawn it. I'm scared. Go next to it. Oh, it's destroying things. Yeah, I like Fortnite. Yeah, I like Deploy. 157 miles an hour.
My highest right now is like just 20
miles an hour. Don't do it.
Is it dominating?
Yeah. They're actually free.
Active.
But you have to you see me right there? I'm going in! I'm in the tornado. 90s. Is this thing? Yeah, it's weakening. Wait, Parker, new tornado, like right behind it. Right there.
Oh,
Go towards it. What's up? I think it's following this road.
no, this is a wrong room.
Are you in the new one?
I'm in the pt.1.
Okay, this other one's actually strengthening.
I got over 100.
This one's actually strengthening and growing. I'm going back on this one. Oh crap, I'm trapped in between two tornadoes.
How?
You need to witness a 250 mile an hour tornado. 150. This one's huge, bro.
Is Red Vault one of the best
Yeah, it's the best one in the game. Because it can handle ones at the 290. Or 171 miles an hour.
Yeah.
On the other wedge.
The new one?
No, I'm on the old one that we were just on. On 20s. Like this one weakening, yeah, that one's dead.
I'm trying to get up to the side of
Bro, this one is huge. Oh, Parker? I'm the point here. I'm already gonna win down here. The road just disappeared. Never mind, it's back. 70.
I'm gonna be on phones all day. We're gonna be cleaning later.
I didn't clean it. My room's really clean.
Excuse you? I'll take that phone away right now, bud. That is the game plan for the day.
Okay, Parker, this one's dying off. Hey, Parker. Go back to... Which one are you on?
I'm on the rotating one right now. Oh my, this one's smaller than that one.
Yeah, Parker, go back to that town. Parker, go to that town that's behind that one. But that's behind the bigger one. But Parker, I see you.
Yeah, look.
Oh, you reset.
Did you say?
Mm-hmm.
Who the heck is
Okay, Parker, we get the pt.1 out. Whatever you get out, I get out.
pt.1?
Parker, you want to try and get into a morning server?
No. It's better at night.
No, it's not because you cannot see anything, bro.
Where the heck you go?
I'm getting in a house. I'm in the town. Okay. Parker, go next to the big people.
This here?
Oh, hello. I'm right here.
Uh-huh.
Hello. Okay,
We're
just
going
waiting
to a
for
house.
storm.
Can you go into these things?
No.
Oh.
I'm parking next to the house, though. Now let's just wait for storm.
How is there two kids that have the best one?
Because they witnessed. Hold up. What do you need again for that one? For the wind vault? You need to witness a 0-mile-an-hour tornado and gain 30 intercepts.
So you need to intercept at 30 miles per hour.
The tornado attack. Actually, do you have 5 intercepts?
Not yet.
When you do that, you can get the Dominator 3.
I have 1 intercept.
Now you have 2. So you try and get the Dominator, one of them.
Is there even a tornado?
No, not yet. No, there's no storm on radar. Okay, Parker, I'm gonna go across the river.
Where the heck you at?
I'm over here. I just crossed a bridge.
Oh.
Okay, I'm down. Follow me. Hold up. Okay, turn here. Wait. Is that a storm?
Where?
Oh yeah, we got a storm on radar.
Where?
Over there. The way my vehicle's heading. Facing. Get out of radar. Or get out of radar. See, there's a new storm. I want to get into a day server though. I like day chasing more.
This is better though.
Wait, how much kib do we have today? 11,962.
I don't see any rotation yet.
West. Orange.
I don't see the storm.
What do you mean? Because you're not on radar. Because you're not out of the thing. Are you telling me you don't see it on radar?
I don't see the radar. I see rotation.
Oh yeah, there's a tornado.
It's a small one though. Have you ever witnessed EF5s in this game?
No. Yeah, I have once. Oh, is that a giant wedge back there? There's 2 tornadoes. Parker, look on radar. There's 2 tornadoes. Is that a wet? No, that's not a wedge. You have to stop.
Is that our intercept?
Yeah. Oh, I see something flying around in there. Jeez.
I deploy.
It's going for these houses.
Oh my god, this is a huge one. This is 245.
I'm on the 294 one, Parker. So, you're about to see me go flying. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Look. I swear I just read 300 on the resume. Yeah, this is, I don't know. It just died. 339. Okay, perfect. Boom. Spawn wind vault. Are you coming for the town?
This is almost 350.
What is the biggest one?
Yeah, it's like almost 350 per miles. Let me in.
Parker, you're cooked. Holy crap, bro.
Interception. Yes. Ah, there's a mini tornado in it.
They're merging together. We're going too slow. I'm getting the tornado attack out. It's the fastest car in the game. Okay, let's go, 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 go.
How do you get it?
I forgot.
Is it free? 15 intercepts.
0 mile an hour tornado.
How the hell are you supposed to do that?
Into the storm. Yeah, the biggest one's dying.
How the heck are you supposed to do that, Aiden?
Get a 0 mile an hour tornado.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you have to be in it as soon as it dissipates.
Twist it to better.
Are you gonna play it? Okay, so I think that's gonna be all for today, folks. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you like tornadoes or not. If we get to 100 subscribers by the end of the month, we'll do another tornado video. Alright, peace.